Once you've spotted those tired cues from part 1, a consistent wind-down routine helps baby switch to sleep mode quickly and peacefully. No crying battles. Keep the routine short, 10-20 minutes, in the same order every time. White noise masks household sounds and becomes a powerful sleep cue. Simple, loving routine. Faster sleep and longer stretches ahead. Part 3 on safe sleep setup tomorrow. Like if white noise is your lifesaver. Comment your must-have routine step, subscribe to whatsoever, and hit the bell for part 3.